English Quizmaster.
Welcome to our articles quiz. Read each sentence carefully and choose the correct article. Good luck. 1. I have blank apple. The correct answer is B.
An.
I have an apple. She is reading blank book. The correct answer is A.
A.
She is reading a book. The sun is shining in blank sky. The correct answer is C.
The
sun is shining in the sky. He ate blank orange. The correct answer is B.
An.
He ate an orange. We saw a blank elephant at the zoo. The correct answer is B.
An.
We saw an elephant at the zoo. Please close blank door. The correct answer is C. Please close the door. She wants blank umbrella. The correct answer is B.
An.
She wants blank umbrella. My father drives blank car. The correct answer is A.
A.
My father drives a car. Can I have blank egg for breakfast? The correct answer is B.
An.
Can I have an egg for breakfast? Blank moon looks beautiful tonight. The correct answer is C.
The
moon looks beautiful tonight. She bought blank new dress. The correct answer is A. She bought a new dress. He is blank honest boy. The correct answer is B.
N.
He is an honest boy. I saw blank rainbow after the rain. The correct answer is A.
A.
I saw a rainbow after the rain. Please pass me blank salt. The correct answer is C.
The.
Please pass me the salt. She is eating blank banana. The correct answer is A.
A.
She is eating a banana. He found blank old coin. The correct answer is B.
N.
He found an old coin. We visited blank museum yesterday. The correct answer is A.
A.
We visited a museum yesterday. Blank Earth goes around the sun. The correct answer is B.
The.
The Earth goes around the sun. She has blank cute puppy. The correct answer is A.
A.
She has blank cute puppy. Would you like blank ice cream? The correct answer is B.
N.
Would you like blank ice cream?